friend, welcome back to Miwa Japanese Cooking. I live in Tokyo with my husband and two sons. Today is Monday. I'm about to make curry udon using the leftover curry from last night. This is a staple in our household. Does anyone else repurpose leftover curry? If you have any ideas, please share them in the comments. I always do meal prep on the weekend, so I keep the weeknight cooking very simple. For example, I might brunch and chop spinach in advance or prepare freezable soups. What kinds of meal prep do you do? Come to boil so that we can burn off the alcohol from the mirin. Shoyu. ちょっと入れる。美味しい。Lately, my son have been really into Dragon Ball. It feels kind of surreal. Surreal? What's the correct pronunciation for this? Anyway, it feels kind of surreal to see them enjoying the same anime I watched as a kid 30 years ago. Anime never seems to go out of style. Do you watch Japanese anime? And what's the name of the anime that you grown up with? Let me know in the comment section. This ramen bowl is one of the items I sell in my online shop. The white and green ones are especially popular. There's only one left in stock. I love the texture and color, which reminds me of snow in Japanese gardens. This black liquor bowl is the perfect size for kids. My 6-year-old always uses it because the adult size ramen bowls are a bit too big for him. The great thing about liquor bowl is that they don't get hot, making them kid-friendly to hold it. Plus, they are all dishwasher safe, which is perfect for my busy lifestyle. If you are interested, check out the link in the description box.朝ごはん。卵買った。だって卵時間経っちゃったからさ。すいませんね。混ぜて食べてね。あ、でもめちゃめちゃ硬いわけじゃないじゃん。どう2人は。毎回感想ゼロなんです。完成ゼロボーイ。うまい。不機嫌ですね。終始。ドラゴンボール急にハマってるね。ちょっと前までハイキューだったのに。So now it's 8:30 and my kids and husband left to the school and office, so it's time to do the cooking session for the membership. So let me show you. My workstation is right here, and I usually have this phone that's gonna closer look what I do during the session. And for overview, I always have this laptop. So like this. It's been a hectic morning, but I'm always really excited like every month to see and talk Ikigai Cooking Club members. So see you soon. Think about what color that you can put more to kind of like balance it out like an art. Yeah? How is your bento journey? She's so sweet. Is she girl or boy? We just finished the Zoom cooking session and then we made this. It's such a fun time. But after the Zoom cooking session, my kitchen always like this. It's such a such a mess, but it's worth it. It's a lunchtime, so I'm going to have a bento that we created together in a membership. The great thing of doing this cooking session is we get to eat after all. So to pair with the bento, I always want to have some kind of soup with it. So I'm going to show you how to make instant miso soup. Yatta! Into my favorite soup bowl. Super cute, isn't it? It's a ume inside as well. And then here, I'm going to add some wakame seaweed. Maybe take about just 1 teaspoon. Wakame seaweed is gonna expand maybe like 10 times more than how it is now. So 1 teaspoon will be enough for this. And I have a spinach. It's already blanched. I usually have a blanched spinach or chopped spring onion as a garnish. And then for the broth, I'm going to add a bonito flakes. That looks like a lot, but it's needed. And lastly, I'm going to add the miso paste. This is yellow miso. I take about 1 teaspoon. And just pour the boiling hot water and dissolve the miso paste. Once it's dissolved, it's good to go. It's ready to serve. Itadakimasu. This is actually my 6th time of eating this sushi bento box because I've been testing this recipe for a week 5 times, so I'm starting to feel a little bit tired of this, so I prepared some kimchi to change up the taste a little bit. Start with the soup. Every time that I film this, me just eating the lunch or dinner, it's not really interesting enough, so I feel very cringe filming this. But for some YouTuber, they are so good at explaining the taste and make it more exciting for the video. So I'm hoping to have some topic to chat with you. Probably in Japanese, but if you have any comments, any topic for me to talk about, that would be really nice. Now it's 3 p.m. and before my kids come back, I have one more Zoom call. I will have a speaking opportunity in university in Tokyo on November, and the theme is about the Japanese cooking and dietary restrictions. So I need to learn more about halal. So I'm going to interview one of my friends who is halal living in Tokyo. So that's what I'm going to do now. And the speaking opportunity will be in English, so I really have to practice for this, but I'm very excited. So I'll talk to you soon. Mei-chan, hello, thanks for your time. How have you been? Yeah? Oh, again, from my kitchen. So it's already 5 p.m. so I have to start cooking dinner before our kids come back. So when it comes to weeknight cooking dinner, I have my own rule. I don't allow myself to cook more than 30 minutes. Otherwise, I'll be very discouraged to cook every day. So I do meal prep on the weekend. I usually spend about 2 hours on the weekend, and I have some prepped food in the fridge, so I will just utilize what I have now over the weekday. So let's make some probably omurice and soup and salad. Let's do it. I often get comments saying, I'd like to try the Ichiju Sansai style, but I have a family of 6. Preparing the Ichiju Sansai style for everyone means too many dishes to wash, and it's difficult. How do you serve it to your family, Miwa? I really feel you. So let me show you how I do it. This is my favorite salad bowl. Can you see the inside? It's nice and gold. From the sushi cooking lesson session, we got these carrot and avocado, and I got some paprika. So I'll put everything into the salad. The color is so beautiful. I will drizzle a little bit of lemon juice over the avocado to preserve the color. The Ichiju Sansai style is a traditional Japanese eating method consisting of soup, rice, and main dish and 2 side dishes. The dinner I'm sharing today is a real example from our household. The chicken shredded into the small pieces, so I'm going to add into this. I also have this leftover rice from this cooking session, today's cooking session. Old rice is great for the risotto or rice porridge or fried rice like today. So I'm going to add this to the chicken rice. I serve the rice and main dishes on this oval plate and the soup separately. I also serve the side dishes on the large plate so everyone can help themselves and get the seconds if they like. This way, the amount of dishes to wash is manageable. I don't have many large plates in the online shop yet, but I'll be adding more soon. The shapes are so unique. I can't wait to share them with everyone. They are also perfect for parties. Oval plate is popular in all colors, and many who used it said it's very versatile. Personally, I love how each dish has a different colors. It's just so beautiful. My favorite are the green ones and navy ones. 何書いたのそれ見して顔兄ちゃんもういいんじゃない、そんないらないケチャップ置くよ。何も言わないけどね、黙々と食べてる日は美味しい日だよね。だからこっちの方が好き。このスープの方が好き？お野菜いっぱい入ってるけど。これスープよ。いい？枝豆アボカド OK。バステクの。練習してます。今ってすごいよね、こんなアプリがあってこんなちっちゃい頃から。頑張れ頑張れ。